what's up everybody? I wanted to do this review on this case I just got. It is for if you have a GoPro and you have a drone, specifically a DJI drone. So the case that this is specifically for, I think they list all the GoPro series because, I don't know, I need to push this down here and show you. If you can see, it has all these rubber things that you can take in and out. Actually, I should probably get one to show you how it fits in there. But you can customize it to pretty much fit any GoPro or any accessory you want by just taking out pieces of rubber, put them out. I pretty much took them all out just because I don't know, I just like to throw stuff in there. I'm not the neatest person, so anyway, so it has some zippers that you can throw some stuff in. I usually put like extra blades in here, some cords, and then I usually put in this clear pocket. You can see, I don't know if you can see my fingers. Yeah, you can. But I put my SD cards in there just so I can see where they're at, so I don't lose them. It's usually a handy spot. So like if I have one of these, as you can see, I can just throw that right in there, and then I can kind of see that I have one in there. I don't know, I'm always losing these stupid things. So, and then for the drone, I specifically have the Mavic 2 Pro. This was specifically, this bag was for, I think it was just called the Mavic Pro. Anyways, the only really difference was it on this is just that it was, the Mavic 2 is a little bit longer. So you can see here I have the Mavic 2. Yeah, so the top here has a spot for your GoPro, and it's pretty much customizable to do whatever you want. So you can use any GoPro you wanted, and all these little inserts they just come right out. If I can get this thing out, even they sit in here. And this foam in here is like hard stuff, so you can kind of shape it. So even if it didn't fit your GoPro or whatever you wanted to put in here, you could see the kind of the thickness of that. Wish I could compare it. Here's the GoPro case, like, and you can tell like the thickness of that. So that's about the depth that you could use on something. I'm not even sure what else. You could put like a small camera in here or something. But anyways, you could just take a knife, cut something out. You can see the lines in there too. What I do is I took everything out. So I take this out, and I just throw my GoPro in. It's my charger, and then up here I put my cords in this stuff, and then like my SD cards in the other one, just to kind of keep them from not rolling around and stuff and me losing them. And then for the drone piece, that's the main piece. And what's nice about this backpack too is it has like a mount for the GoPro here, and then it also has a little spot you can put your small little tripod if you wanted. And then on the shoulder strap, it also has a GoPro mount as well. All right, so back to the main. This is, so Mavic 2 Pro is what I have. So the Mavic 1 or the Mavic Pro, that's what this was originally for. I mean, one thing about the Mavic 2 is it's a little longer. It's about the same width. I didn't really have to mess with that, but the length, you can see that I had to cut out the nose here for the camera protector. So I just took a knife and just kind of chiseled it out. This stuff's so rigid that, I mean, it took some effort. And then also for the batteries, I had to cut a little bit of chunk out with the knife just to make this battery fit. And man, if it's pretty snug right now. So you can have 4 batteries. The controller that fits in there snug too. I just leave the joysticks on. I know you can take them off a drone, but it protects it so well that I don't even worry about the breaking off or anything. It slides right in there. And then this is just an extra space for, I guess, whatever. And then I got the regular charger, and then I have like a car charger as well for that thing. So the reason why I got the one for the Mavic 1 Pro is because it was like $40 cheaper. And I'm like, and this drone pit stop one is for the Mavic 1 as well. And that's why I got it so cheap. But that, since the foam was so squishy, I was able to fit it right in there, no problem. I didn't have to modify this one bit. Batteries fit in there, everything. So I'm thinking, well, maybe I'll do the same thing with this case, and it seemed to work out. So you can see like the nose kind of fits right in there, but it fits in there fine. I mean, just a little bit of modification, it worked. It was worth $40 for sure. And then you have the pockets here for, like, I have my my filters in here and whatever else you fit. It's for a laptop, but I have a 15-inch MacBook Pro and I don't fit in there, so I just use it for something else. Thought I'd let you know. If you're looking for a good backpack where you have a GoPro and a drone, I think this one is perfect. I'll put a little picture of the backpack here, and then with the price, and you can just decide. I mean, for me, it works great. It's kind of like a semi-rigid case, so I mean, it takes the views pretty good and carries that stuff with. I'm trying to think what else that I could tell you about this thing. Zippers seem to be pretty good. I mean, they're a little chintzy, but they don't seem like they're going to fall apart on me. The backpack itself, comfortable. But for what I pay, I think I paid $104. I think there's up to like to 110 now, but still, it's a pretty good deal for what you get. I mean, as far as the backpack to protect something that, you know, the drone she's like $1,600, and then GoPros are around what, $300-400, plus all your accessories you have. So I don't know. I thought it was a good investment for my equipment. So hope you like the video. If you do, click the notifications button and subscribe, and I'll try to do some more of these. I got some other stuff for specifically drone and GoPro, and even like a DLSR if you wanted that information as far as like cases I use. I'm always looking for a good deal, so I don't really buy expensive stuff. I just look for cheap stuff that I can modify and it's, you know, holds up well. Thanks for watching.